Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment training of trainers week 7 assignment 7. So the first question is business games aim to enhance the participants understanding accept. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, business games aim to enhance the participants understanding of specific organizational problems of organization, policy and decision making, teamwork norms and procedures. So the answer of our first question is C. Now the second question is while evaluating the game comparison must be made with dash. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, comparison must be made with real life situation. So the answer of our second question is D. Now the third question is state true or false. While conducting the game, trainer must be unclear about the game's various aspects, situations, and constraints. True or false? So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, trainer must also be fully familiar with its various aspects, situations, and constants. So the answer of our third question is B. Now the fourth question is during the process of dash, participants may also learn to be explicit, find information, conduct analysis, collaborate, plan, and take steps. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question four, during this process of debriefing, they may also learn to be explicit, find information, conduct analysis, discuss, collaborate with others, plan strategies, and action step use. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Now, the fifth question is trainers should decide the nature of the business games after understanding the dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, trainers should decide the nature of business games after understanding the overall profile of the participants. So the answer of our fifth question is D. Now the sixth question is state true and false. Business games can be used for orienting the participants and familiarizing them with the functional dynamics of an organization. True or false? So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, business game can be used for orienting the participants and familiarizing them with the functional dynamics of an organization. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Now the seventh question is which of the following is required to enhance the team effectiveness? So these are the options and the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is that gives a sense of practical applicability of the subject. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, management games give a sense of practical applicability of the subject. So the answer of our eighth question is also A, management games. Now the ninth question is state true and false. Business games are primarily used for management skills development, false or true. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, business games are primarily used for management skill development. So the answer of our ninth question is false. Now the 10th question is which type of game is suitable if the theme of the training program is labor relations. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, the type of decisions that participants make in game include all aspects of management practice, labor relation, agreement in contract negotiations. So the answer of our 10th question is A, argument in contract negotiations. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.